Hello friends, welcome to another educational video in the field of electricity. In this video I am going to check the health of the contactor using a multimeter. Please follow me. The contactor is a three-phase magnetic switch that consists of three-phase inputs and three-phase outputs, which are called power blades. Also, each contactor has two string blades which the names of normal close and normal open, which are installed next to the power blades. The magnetic part of the contactor is called the coil and has two screws, and if they are under the potential difference, the contactor is activated and an electric current passes. First, we check the health of the power blades. For this purpose, we set the multimeter to beep mode. In this mode, if the probes touch each other, the probe will beep, and this is a sign of correct connection. To test power blades, first we connect the probes one by one to the input and output of the blades. In this case, when they press the contactor handle, the input and outputs must be connected and the device must beep. This indicates that the first blade is healthy. This means that the first blade is healthy. And we do the same for the second and third blades. In order for the contactor to be healthy, we must test all of the blades, and all of these blades must be healthy. The second blade also is healthy. The third blade is also healthy. Now we test the string blades. First we test the normally closed blade. This blade is normally closed, and if we connect the probes to its output and input, it should beep. Therefore the normal closed blade is healthy. The next string blade is normally opened. This blade is opposite of normally closed blade. That is, if the contactor is in normal mode, they are not connected. And if we press the contactor handle, they are connected and the device should beep. To test it, we connect the probes to its input and output. Now we press the handle. Because it beeps, the blade is also healthy. The last part of the contactor test is the bobbin test. The bobbin is a coil that, if damaged, the contactor cannot be used anymore and needs to be repaired. To test it, we must connect the probes to its screws. After connecting them, if the resistance is about kilo ohms, it means that the bobbin is healthy and can work well. The resistance is 4/10 ohm. Now we test the coil with electricity. That is, we connected the phase and null wire to screws and connect the electricity. In this case, the contactor should be activated. The contactor coil is healthy. This video is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.